Hi, welcome to 174 Forest Creek Drive. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, beautiful brand new home located in Kitchener, Ontario. Let's take a look inside. As soon as we enter, we have beautiful natural light flowing in from those back windows, absolutely massive. As soon as we enter, to our right is our powder room. Nice and clean, new, tons of storage space in our vanity. Let's make our way through here. To our left is our mudroom. Beautiful closet here. Tons of storage space. Really high up. We also have access to our garage. One-car garage with an automatic lift. As we make our way through, we have a beautiful open concept kitchen living area here. Absolutely massive, tons of space here. Beautiful cabinetry work, lots of storage space, beautiful island, and a massive living area here with beautiful, beautiful, big, huge windows. Nice, beautiful view here. All our appliances are brand new, top of the line. Let's head on up. Upstairs we have our 3 bedrooms. To our left here is our first bedroom. Perfect size for a queen size bed. Beautifully laid out to have a office or workspace here as well. And ensuite bathroom. Very beautiful. Very nice stand-in shower here. And a beautiful walk-in closet. Very big, lots of storage space here. Our second bedroom here, also good for a queen-size bed. Lots of space. And another ensuite bathroom. Every bedroom here has its own bathroom. Very rare, very nice to see. We have our linen closet here. Lots of storage space in this house. And it continues into the master bedroom with our massive dual walk-in closets here. Again, lots and lots of storage space. Our master bedroom is very big. You can fit any size bed here and as much furniture as you can imagine. We also have another ensuite bathroom here. Beautiful stand-in shower, tons of space in our huge vanity with his and her sinks. And remember, to view this property and many more, please visit us at Royal York Property Management, ready to serve you 24/7, 365. Thank you.